days gone cold, I'm wondering why I got out of bed. Rain clouds out my window, and I can't see it all. Even if I could, it'll all be great. But your picture on my wall, it reminds me that it's not so bad, it's not so bad. Drank too much last night, got bills to pay. My head just feels the pain. I miss the boss and they'll be hell today. I'm late for work again, and even if I'm there, they're all in